Hi, today we have a Mazda CX-7 with a 2.2 liter diesel engine. I'm going to show you how to change the fuel filter. The fuel filter is located at the passenger side. So we have to open a couple of bolts with 10mm wrench to remove the filter from this housing. Now we have 1, 2, 3 nuts with 10mm wrench. Also we have one bolt here with 10mm wrench and two bolts with 12mm wrench. Also we have to disconnect this wiring connector and this connector and remove these two hoses. So I have removed the oil filter housing. Next I'm going to remove the oil filter, fuel filter from the aluminium part, and after that I can install the new one. Here I have new fuel filter that I'm going to install on the vehicle. Oops. I'm going to tighten it here, and this seal is for the lower part. And now the filter is ready to be returned into the vehicle. I'm going to tighten the two bolts with 12mm wrench. I have installed the fuel filter, tightened the three nuts, two bolts, and also these two bolts, connected the wiring. Next I have installed a manual pump, so I'm going to pump until the fuel filter is refilled with fuel, and after that I'm going to reconnect this hose. So I have refilled the filter, returned the hose. Now I can start the engine. Everything looks okay. So this means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.